This weekend, on March 22nd and 23rd, I'm going to be riding up to Kingman, where I'm going to meet my son. He's going to be on his motorcycle. And then we're going to go on to Vegas, where he lives, and I'm not taking the CVO. I'm going to take the Pan America. Brand new. I got to put my brake in miles, which is 500 miles. And then I can do my normal riding after that. And then at 1,000 I have to do a service. So I'm close. I got a couple hundred more to get to that 500 mark. So that is the goal of this trip.
All right, so we're looking at about 2.5 hours to Kingman. I'm going to meet my son for a beer at the Grand Canyon Brewing Company there in Kingman, and then we're going to take the long way up to Las Vegas. Maybe, I don't know. He's going to lead the way. But it's a beautiful day. Right now it is 60 degrees according to the bike, but my watch says it's like 52, so it's a little chilly. I've got a sweatshirt with a mesh jacket over the top, and it's a little cool, but I brought a rain jacket that stops the wind, so if I need to, I'll stop and put that on. I also have heated grips on this new Pan America, so I should be good. Over there on the left side of the highway is Luke Air Force Base. I was out there for almost 7 years, and none of this was out here when I was there. All this new build is pretty recent. Anyway, I'll come back on when something of interest shows up, or when I get out to the country, so you can kind of see what the desert looks like. Alright, this is the little town of Wickenburg. It's a good place to ride. It's about 30 miles from my house. They've got some old restaurants in that downtown area. And they love their roundabouts. Up on the other side of those mountains is Prescott. That's a good ride if you've never done it, from Wickenburg up to Prescott. A couple different ways you can go up there. One is a lot of twisties, and the other is a lot of big sweeping curves. I think this is the last roundabout before we get out of town. It looks like I'm wrong. Yeah, that's it. Then you can take 89 to get to Prescott. Or you stay on this and it turns into, I believe, 93, and that goes all the way up to Kingman, and then all the way into Vegas. These are Joshua trees, if you've never seen them. Some of the ugliest trees I've ever seen. Although I think they're like cactus or something. Yeah, maybe they're trees. I don't know. So this will eventually become Interstate 11. There's already some portion of Interstate 11 up in Vegas on the outskirts, I guess by Henderson. And this will eventually be an interstate that connects Phoenix to Las Vegas. Actually, I think it will go all the way down to Mexico. But I'm no expert, so don't quote me on that. Man, it's beautiful out here. I do have my hand warmers on because it's a little chilly on the hands, but it's 68 degrees. So it's warming up nicely. Alright, just a brief stop in Wickiup, Arizona. About an hour out of Kingman. I think it's maybe 50 miles or something like that. But so far so good. I didn't get gas. I'm at about half a tank, a little more than half a tank, so I'll get gas probably between Kingman and Las Vegas. Alright, we're getting on to Interstate 40. I think for about 16 miles. Well, we made it to Kingman. I just have to find that Grand Canyon Brewing, Grand Canyon Brewing Company, wherever that may be. That was a good ride.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
How was the seat?
Not the worst seat I've ever ridden on. Look at that Cybertruck and Airstream. What's that?
I wonder if they're searching.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, because it's...
Sheriffs are here, everyone.
Yeah, he's circling. Maybe they're training?
That's what I was wondering.
I'm not really sure what's going on. Just up over this pass that we're on, we'll drop into Vegas, and if you know where to look, you'll see where the strip is and all that. Alright, my time here in Las Vegas is done. It is Sunday. I just left my son's house and now I'm gonna head back down to Phoenix. Not sure how much I'll record. I think I just want to get home, and if anything interesting comes up, I will definitely put the GoPro on, but otherwise I'm just gonna crush the next 4 hours and get home. So if I don't get back to you, thanks for watching. You can sub and like this video if you so desire. It would be greatly appreciated. That might give me a little motivation to do more videos. Anyway, here we go. Yeah, 500 miles. That's my break-in period. So now I can ride it like I'm normally going to ride it. Well, we're getting into Kingman, and there's a little bit of traffic. But they're building a bypass that will merge right onto I-40. So it's going to be a lot more efficient. But until that time, this is what we have to do when we come back from Vegas on Sundays.